Are you renovating your bathroom or designing a new one? One important aspect to consider is the shower valve. Today, we'll talk about everything you need to know about shower valves when designing a bathroom. First things first, what is a shower valve? It's a device that controls the flow and temperature of water in your shower. There are four main types of shower valves: traditional hot and cold shower valve, thermostatic valves, pressure balancing valves, and shower diverter valve. Manual valves are the most basic type of valve. They require you to adjust the flow and temperature of water by hand. Thermostatic valves, on the other hand, automatically regulate the temperature of water. Pressure balancing valves maintain a consistent water pressure even when someone flushes a toilet or turns on a faucet elsewhere in the house. If you want a shower valve that offers precise temperature control, a thermostatic valve is your best bet. It can prevent scalding and sudden temperature changes. If you want a valve that can prevent pressure fluctuations, go for a pressure balancing valve. It can maintain a consistent water pressure, which is particularly important if you live in an area with fluctuating water pressure. If you're on a budget or simply prefer a more traditional look, a manual valve may be the way to go. When it comes to installing a shower valve, it's important to hire a professional plumber. They can ensure that the valve is installed correctly and that there are no leaks. In summary, shower valves are an essential component of any bathroom. Whether you go for a manual valve, a thermostatic valve, or a pressure balancing valve, make sure you hire a professional plumber to install it correctly. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more bathroom design tips and tricks.